Today we gonna show you 2024 BMW X6 M Competition exterior and interior details and review, and explain the details of the car. We hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. 2024 BMW X6 M Competition starting at $128,195. The BMW X6 M is a sloped-back brute ute that packs a potent punch. It balances its high-octane antics with an interior that wraps its occupants in rich materials and a wealth of standard features. The X6M offers much of the same content as its conventional-looking sibling, the X5M SUV, but, thanks to its fastback roofline, does so with slightly less cargo space and slightly more style. Propulsion is generated by a twin-turbo V8 fitted with a hybrid system, which churns out 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. We've lauded the X6M for its effortless speed and aggressive handling, and BMW claims that it smoothed the edge off of its famously rocky ride this year. We'll see. At the very least, we feel certain that the X6M still has the chops to remain competitive against the likes of the Audi RS Q8 and Porsche Cayenne Coupe. What's new for 2024? BMW has given the X6M a facelift for the 2024 model year, complete with revised sheet metal that creates a more chiseled look, crisp exterior lighting elements, a spruced-up interior with a new curved center display, and a new V8 engine and 8-speed transmission fitted with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Additionally, the X6M is now offered exclusively as a competition model with 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. The German marque has outfitted the high-performance fastback SUV with other enhancements, including new carbon shift paddles, more standard safety tech, an M-specific version of iDrive, and more. There are also 3 new colors: Brooklyn Gray Metallic, Olive Man Green Metallic, and Frozen Pure Gray Metallic. It's hard to fathom how less practicality can command a higher price. Still, the 2023 X6M costs more than its squareback counterpart, the X5M. We prefer the less expensive body style, but the X6 certainly attracts more attention. Every X6M built for the 2024 model year forward will be a competition model, as the package content is now standard. This means every model gets the same 617 horsepower from the hybridized twin-turbo V8 engine along with an adaptive M suspension, 21-inch front and 22-inch rear wheels, a panoramic roof, Harman Kardon audio system, a drive recorder and a slew of safety tech. We'd be inclined to spec our X6M in the brilliant Olive Man Green Metallic and tick the box for the executive package, which adds luxurious features like soft close automatic doors, LED lighting for the panoramic roof, heated and cooled cup holders, front ventilated massaging seats, front and rear heated seats, and rear manual side window shades. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Sportiness and luxuriousness collide inside the X6M, which boasts carbon fiber accents and standard leather upholstery. There's also no shortage of high-tech features thanks to a curved center display that seamlessly bridges the digital gauge cluster with the infotainment system's touchscreen. Those are accompanied by niceties such as ambient interior lighting, available massaging front seats with heating and ventilation, heated rear seats, heated/cooled cup holders, and much more. Interior cubby storage is highlighted by a coverable bin below the center stack and a useful center console bin. While its coupe-like profile doesn't affect how comfortable it is for either front and backseat passengers, the sloping roofline does reduce visibility out back as well as cargo space. The traditional X5M provides 34 cubic feet behind the back row while the X6M has only 27 cubes. Engine, transmission, and performance.